Hey y'all, it's Nicole with LivingWell Realty. Today I am in the Montclair in Prosper to check on the build behind me. This is a custom neighborhood, so our Country Homes is building in here, and if you have a custom plan or you can use one of their plans and customize it, that's how you build in here. These are $1 million properties, y'all. I'm gonna flip us around and we're gonna go take a look. Okay guys, so we have form boards up. It looks like the plumbing rough is in. All right, so what does all that mean? Basically, these form boards act as a border for when they pour the foundation so that the foundation just doesn't run everywhere, right? So it's like a giant cake pan. They have run the pipes for the plumbing. And before they move on to start prepping for the foundation, what we're looking at here at the back corner is the master bath. You've got the kitchen here. And then over here, we have 3 bathrooms. So they will run water through these pipes and make sure there's not any leaks. Once they do that and there's no leaks, then they can sign off on the inspection and move on to the next stage, which is sectioning off this dirt and putting a big moisture barrier on top of it. Looks like a black trash bag. And then from there, they will put a rebar in a grid-like pattern across, and it acts as a support for the foundation. And then they can pour the foundation. So a couple more steps to do, but hopefully in the coming weeks we will see this come together. It's looking really good. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour this week. They're really short and sweet in these first phases of construction, but that's okay. It's still a really cool process to watch and how it all comes together. What they're building here, the exterior is going to be a Mediterranean look, and oh my gosh, that's one of my favorite aesthetics. I just adore those. If my husband was a fan, we would absolutely have a house like that, but I'm very excited to watch this one be constructed and get to show you guys the whole, well, the after product. So anyway, if you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole. I work with LivingWell Realty, and I would love to give you this kind of service on your new construction home. If you guys are looking to build in Salina or Prosper, please give me a call, or you can text, email, or schedule a Zoom appointment via the link below. I look forward to hearing from y'all, and until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.